Hey, what is up guys? I'm Guillermo from Android Tech, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys a time lapse. A time lapse is a great way to show something we cannot experience in real life, and they just are amazing and realistic. So today I woke up and went outside and saw that the clouds look extremely awesome, so I went to get my tripod and slider and shot some footage of the clouds moving. I then exported the footage into post-production and started editing. So this is what it turned out to be. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this time lapse, make sure to hit that like and also comment down below if you guys have any feedback. And yeah, also make sure to go subscribe to my main channel, which is Android Tech. The links will be down below in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, peace.